Hello, I'm Christopher. I am a student here at PHSC, and I am studying for computer programming and data analysis. Now, I am a big tech enthusiast, so I sort of create my own problems and try and fix them. And one of the greatest experiences I had here was speaking to not only the president, but also the chief information officer, Dr. Thomas Hull. One of the greatest things about being a student here at PHSC is the affordability. Now, I've always been a tech enthusiast, so it's always come naturally to me, but being a student here and furthering my education has become a way to truly validate my knowledge and further that experience. So while I am finishing up my degree here at PHSC, and I've got a little bit of courses left to do, that doesn't mean that my educational journey is coming to an end. While I appreciate participating here at PHSC, I will continue to learn and further my life journey. For anyone else that is participating or enrolling in PHSC, you should get lost. I changed my career and my degree program about 3 or 4 times before settling down and really finding what I wanted to do. So if you're considering any of the IT fields, whether that's networking or that is programming, even cybersecurity, all of those are offered here and they are highly affordable and at an amazing quality. I would highly recommend you attend PHSC.